Fling here. I just wanted to come on. Here to talk about some drama between Coldy and others. Also, apologies for not posting a lot. I was just not motivated. Anyways, I got screenshots from the drama. Not all of it, though. Personally, I think this drama is useless, because why are you getting into fights with randos online? That's just completely dumb. And a message for Coldy. I hope you're watching this and rethinking your actions because you said a slur 2 times, mind you, and you're not even going to make an apology for it? Nor take my word to stop this. You want your mental health to be worse and worse. Trust me. One day you'll wish this all ended. And a message to the people who are involved in it. Please find a way to stop this. Don't just keep getting involved in it. Anyway, bye.
Baby steam happy, baby steam happy, baby steam happy, baby steam happy, baby